Hi there, welcome to the next video in our series, A Month Here in Thailand. We are staying right now for 4 nights in Koh Samet.
We have travelled here from Kanchanaburi this morning, so if you would like to see what we got up to in Kanchanaburi, skip back and have a look at the last one on our channel. But we are now here. The culture and history part of our trip is done, and we are now down south at the islands, where we are spending the next 2 and a bit weeks. We don't really have any plans other than we are staying here for 4 nights. We are actually staying here at the Bell House Samet, and we are staying in this room for 2 days, and then we are checking out of this room and moving into the room just behind you for another 2 days. Don't ask me why, it was cheaper that way with Agoda. We're on a budget, so hey ho.
Now, as Emma said, we've been travelling all day, but we're only starting this here. We're going to start it properly kind of tomorrow, but we're going to bring you with us this evening to kind of show you what we do. And the most important thing we start with...
Room tour?
Room tour. Oh, by the way, for regular viewers, yes, you're right. Emma does sound a little bit like Scooby-Doo.
Sorry, I am suffering with a little bit of a sore throat thanks to all the freezing cold aircon here in Thailand. But hey, there is a plus point to that. I haven't been cold, so, you know.
You haven't been cold?
Hot, haven't been hot.
She's delirious.
Should we get on with that room tour?
Okay, so the reception office is down there. We are staying for the first 2 nights in Bell House number 10. This is our personal area, although forget those. We will be unpacking.
Hello and welcome. So I think this is one of the best rooms we've had actually while we've been here on our trip. Our last room in Kanchanaburi was shocking, so this one looks so much better. So in you come. It's quite cute and dainty, right? Now, regular viewers of the channel will know I am absolutely beside myself. And why? That is because we have a mirror. And not only do we have a mirror, we have a little dressing table, and we also have a chair. Now, do we have a plug socket? Yes, we do. Oh my God, we've got the kettle. Oh my God. Stop, Adam. Life made.
You've seen the mirror behind you as well?
Oh my God, how did I miss that? This is heaven. Anyway, come on in. Fridge, kettle. And do you know what I always say as well, guys?
What's that, Scooby?
Always say, what don't they benefit enough from in Thailand? Hooks. Not in this place.
Full hat stand, mate.
And we've got 2 spare ones here. Look at that. All the hook space.
Look how happy Emma is.
All this. Look at toiletries, guys. It's been a while.
This is what happens when you're married to me.
Look at the storage.
So
Anyway, bed. Sorry, my voice sounds awful. Bed, check. Oh my God.
Solid?
No.
Oh.
It's not solid because it didn't bounce back up.
Oh.
It's really soft.
Is it nice?
It's lovely. It's a nice welcome change because if you've been to Thailand, you'll know the beds are horrific. Well, they're not horrific, they're just very firm.
Yeah.
Bathroom.
I think I'll go in here.
You go in.
Shower. Toilet.
Was that a gesture to close the door?
Please, it's like professional. So you have supplied shower gel and shampoo. We have cotton buds / Q-tips, whatever you want to call them. A shower cap, of course. Spare toilet roll. No, the toilet roll. Yeah, it's probably best to be in there because it'll just get, it just gets soaked, wouldn't it?
What's this?
What's this?
Is this a beach towel?
I don't think so.
I think it is. I think it's a beach towel. I'm going to ask her, but I think it's a beach towel. Look, it was on top of the towel, so one would assume.
Oh, I see.
It would be a beach towel.
And the beach is literally just a walk down there, like a 5-minute walk down that way.
We're going to not unpack the whole hog. Do you even get a reusable bag? I love this place. We're going to unpack, but not the whole hog because we're checking out in 2 days. We're just going to get the necessities out and put... I'll show you an after when I've filled that up with all my toiletries.
I'm excited. Room tour finished?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, bye.
Cool. Well, today was technically a travel day, so you're not really expecting camera pushed in your face. Initial thoughts?
Beautiful. Just love it. Seems quite local here, actually. Quite like it. Yeah, there's some gorgeous places to stay. Natural. Not a lot of them showed up on maps neither. And they're getting that sea though.
Mm.
Oh my. Good morning guys and welcome to day one of Koh Samet. So last night we had a very casual chill night. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning here. We've done some work this morning, had a couple of coffees, sat out in our veranda. Must say I'm very impressed with our stay here so far at the Samet Bell House or Bell House Samet. It's been great. Now we are just on our way to the beach. The beach is a 5-minute walk through our hotel and that's where we were last night. And I have to say, I hate to be a Debbie Downer, but last night was not great. We ate at a place called Tom's Pizza, I think it is. It's basically right next door to our hotel. Now they had tables out on the beach. It's a restaurant and it's a hotel as well. And it wasn't great, guys. Wasn't our greatest welcome.
This isn't us complaining, but anyone who's watched us for any amount of time will know that we're completely honest. We don't over sugar everything.
Yeah, we like to keep it real here on our channel. So when we have good customer service or we stay in a great place, we like to share that too. It just wasn't great. I don't know if they were having an off day or what. Basically, when the lady took the order for the food, she wasn't really interested in what we were saying, even though Adam was pointing to our choices. She just wasn't looking. We ordered 2 corn chowders. We ordered my main course, Adam's main course, and a portion of spring rolls. The corn chowders didn't arrive, but instead 2 changs arrived. And at this point, we were so confused. We sent the changs back, but we didn't order the changs. Our main course has come. Adam's was tiny.
I mean, like tiny.
It was just horrendous. Mine was awful. It was the most tasteless Thai food we've had in all of our visits to Thailand. So we weren't impressed. Then the spring rolls came practically when we asked for the bill, and then when the bill came they overcharged us by 200 baht, and it took 3 members of staff, and it was a palaver. There was no really apology. The staff were just standing around. They took the money, they didn't even say thank you.
Emma had only eaten about a third of her meal because she just couldn't eat it, and there was no question with regards to that. What is everything okay with the meal or anything? And just as we were standing up, it was sorry. It's like it just felt a little bit
lacking.
Yeah, lacking customer service. I don't want to say dishonest. It wasn't. I'll think of the word and put it here. With regards to the apology, simple as we just won't go there again.
But listen, we're going to turn things around today. It's a bit cloudy here actually. It's a bit windy, but we've come out this morning to get some food. Then we're going to head to this green place here. Green place, literally is called Green Place. We're going to head here. We're having a beach day today, so we're exploring this beach, what we're on now, and then we're going to hop over and visit a few more beaches along this coast. So we'll bring you with us for the day.
What have you got?
Banana pancakes, they're amazing. I had them for the first time in Rayleigh Beach. Incredible. No.
So breakfast was a bit more of a success this morning than the meal last night. As we said, we went to the Green Place. Lovely there, great food, nicely priced. And we spent the day kind of just chilling on the beach and just taking in the scenery of where we're actually located. And we decided that we're going to walk along the main road and come up to the next beach along the coast. And it's El Chow.
So just for a little bit of context before we go any further, so here is the Samet Bell house, and this is where we're staying. So when we've come down to the beach so far, we've been down to here. If I zoom out a little bit, or a lot, so here's the island of Koh Samet, and we're here. And as you'll see as we go further into this video, we kind of go up through here. When we just went up onto the main road, we went up to here and we walked along the top and like kind of came down through here. But we will be able to get back through here, and later on in the video we do kind of go, oh, there's the roustabout that we have a drink and drinking in a bit, and then we worked our way all the way up here. This is coming up in this video, all the way up to here. So that's the mermaid and child. So we kind of made it all the way up to here, and we're all the way down here. So yeah, we really did do some adventuring.
So that's the way we'll go back. You can see just through there, that's kind of the end of our beach.
And just like that, we are on the next beach. That was pretty easy.
Ao Chang.
I think, and we can actually get to this one from our beach. And apparently there's another beach over them rocks there. So we made it onto the beach. We had a lovely little paddle. We didn't go for a swim. There's quite a lot of hidden rocks in the seabed. So we went for a paddle, and then we probably got sunburned, which you can see now.
I can see a bit of redness, to be fair.
Right.
On both of us.
Then we realised we'd reached 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Yay! So we made a little something.
If you're already a subscriber here, if you follow us on TikTok or Instagram, you will have seen it at the time. Here it is. We were very proud, and we thought we were very clever by doing the top-down drone shot.
It means a lot to us though, because this channel, it's always been our dream. But when we lived in the UK, we just never had the time, or we never had the money to go on trips, or we never had the time to take off work because we were self-employed to go on the trips to create the content. So
and the channel was effectively just neglected.
Yeah.
We did stuff when we could and threw stuff up when we could, and
we found our niche though now, haven't we?
yeah, and we've really pushed it. We're towards the end of March 2025, and we've been pushing this now since about October, I'd say. Once we finished work properly,
Like November, December time.
November, December. So to be able to get to 1,000 so quickly is a big thing for us. So yeah, thank you for everyone who has subscribed. And if you're not subscribed right now, why not?
We don't know what our plans are for the rest of the evening. After we filmed our little 1K subscriber thing, we wandered up to one of the local bars on this beach, and we're just having a chang. I don't know what our plans are. We've had a lovely day. It's been great. More of this.
More of the same tomorrow. To be honest with you. How are you feeling? Because
It's my birthday tomorrow. Is it? No, it's not. Stop that. I'm feeling fine. You know, you're getting old.
You're feeling old?
But the day is. Let alone when your bloody birthday is.
How are you feeling though?
I'm feeling fine, yeah. So tomorrow, what we've got to do is we've got to check out tomorrow.
Oh God,
So we're checking out of our room tomorrow, and then checking into the room literally across the way from us. So I think tomorrow we'll come over here and then go over to the next beach.
We are still kind of toying with the idea of hiring a bike here on the island, but the roads seem a little bit undulating. There's quite a lot of speed.
I'd probably skip it here, you know.
Yeah, maybe the next place.
We'll
I don't
see.
know.
I just toasted a curry, spicy, and from Thai standards, that is something else. And I look, empty the plate, and I've just got a tiny little bit tingling. So, question, does that make me a local now?
So completely different experience tonight than last night. We had great food. I mean,
Great customer service.
great customer service. They're absolutely lovely here. What's this place? This is Green Place again, isn't it?
Yeah, we came here for breakfast.
So this is where we had our breakfast. The staff are here are absolutely lovely. The menu is extensive. The one thing they don't have is corn chowder, you know, but absolutely lovely. Such great service. We're down here on the beach. There's a nice little breeze, and all is right with the world.
We just got robbed.
We paid 400 baht for 4 small chang. A small chang, which back in Bangkok is how much? Bigs. Bigs were 90. And the bigs here, by the way, are not like the small, like 330 mils. They're 620 milliliters. And the smalls over there at the Rasta thing were 100 baht. No wonder he was asking us if we did a certain. So.
But that wasn't the Rasta bar. It wasn't.
That wasn't the Rasta bar.
It was the one. It was one on the beach bar. We went to Captain's Club last night, and we got small changs for 70 baht each, and that's on Pearl Beach. So that beach, although it is a little bit more bougie aesthetically, you are paying for it in prices as well.
But there are more rocks in the water as well, aren't they?
Yes, our beach is a lot more smooth.
You sound so funny right
My
now.
voice is gone again, I'm sorry. Guys, we're probably going to call it a night here. We'll see you on day 2 of day 3.
We arrived yesterday.
No, this was day 1. We'll see you on day 2.
Bye.
Bye.